The next day, we drove about 4.5 hours to Stellenbosch. Our road trip passed through mountains, small towns, and the dry landscape of South Africa's semi-desert region called the Karoo. And there was one spot that we absolutely had to stop at.
It's actually a cafe.
Just arrived at our hotel in Stellenbosch. They offer complimentary wine tastings, so we definitely took advantage of that when we got in.
We're about to do our first wine tasting.
We're gonna do the latest vintages tasting.
Okay, that's sparkling still.
I believe there's pool wine and fireplace wine. This is a pool wine. Very refreshing. You would drink it by the pool on a nice hot day.
And the aging potential is 5 years.
Oh, wow. Pool wine. Just a little this
A
time.
little bit. Still fine.
That's good. Thank you. Oh, that's yummy. Perfect.
So this wine shows
It's a bit warm. I'll be honest. I'm not a huge fan of Shiraz. Today we are gonna ride trains and drink wine.
And they do offer pairings, nougat in one pairing, almonds in one pairing, and
This one is the Chardonnay. This one is the Sauvignon Blanc, also known as my favorite. He said that if you have a sweet tooth, you're gonna love it. Ooh. Even if you don't have a sweet tooth, you'll love it. I like that. This is the PINOTAGE. Very chocolatey, very yummy.
the good wine is like love, right?
Yeah.
It's getting better day.
This is the Cab. Oh, it's good. It's yummy. It tastes like perfume, like yummy.
your next pick-up time from the tasting center is going to be
This is Sauvignon Blanc. It's good. Definitely, if you remember my rating scale, this is definitely a full wine. Ooh. Much more yellow than the last Chardonnay we tried. It's good. I like this one a lot.
All right, up next we have the PINOTAGE. Good, very light, and not as acidic as some of the PINOTAGE we've had.
We should get a cheese platter at a different place too. They're so good. So this is the last wine. It's a Cabernet. Taste yummy, like cherries almost.
Where the fun starts, eh?
Woo!
So you guys know how the service works. It's a hop-on, hop-off service that works in circulation. Every time we drop you off, come back in an hour to collect you. You see that it's 3 o'clock, so you still have 2 stops left. Your producer, Ra and Merlot. They're facing room off.
And then shallot pearls with the second rosé, and then kimchi with the Chenin Blanc.
Ooh, kimchi.
Yeah.
Kimchi.
Cool.
Wow.
Enjoy, guys.
Thanks so
Thank you.
much. So there's 2 rosés and a white. Very sweet. Not very good at eating oysters.
Well, you need to use the fork.
Oh.
You're about to put that whole thing in your mouth.
Wine pairs perfectly with that. So we're doing a pizza pairing, which is so cool. We've never done a pizza pairing before. Oh! Wow, that one just took it. Oh! Ah! Hold on. I got it.
So you're going to be starting with the Chardonnay, which is our 2017. Followed by the Mavic.
Is that the Pinot style? Can we get a little glass of the Pinot wine? Oh, that's even better. Is that gonna pair well with that?
It will.
This is a Chardonnay. Smells very buttery. It's very buttery.
As you can probably tell by now, Stephanie does not like Chardonnay.
That's not true. I like that one Chardonnay. The one at Rickety Bridge.
All right, we'll get the Malbec here. I like that. Got a big body to it. That's good.
South Africa is actually known for their Pinotage. I'm excited to try this one. Chris will hate it, but it's yummy.
Why am I gonna hate it?
It's too fruity for you. Bye.